Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about a Japanese candlestick pattern called the Bearish Harami. Now, Harami in Japanese means pregnant, and the idea is that you have the mother bar that is pregnant by a smaller real candle body. Usually this small candle body is a spinning top. So, for example, you have a price advance, you have the price advancing, big mother bar, and then the small real candle body. In theory, the Harami could be with like a medium body as well, but it works best with a small real candle body following a large real candle body. Why? Well, that represents a change in momentum. Now, you can pause, you can and read this on your own time, but the gist of it, the idea of it is that the bulls have been advancing, and even though we don't have what you might see in equities with the gap down, with the mother bar, and then you have normally a little bit of a gap down, so you have the Harami inside, we still get a similar thing in crypto. And this is just a representation of a slowing of momentum. This can be the beginning of other candlestick patterns, the bearish Harami. This can be the beginning of an evening star pattern, which is a 3-candle pattern. It can be a 3 inside down, which is what we have here, the mother bar, the inside candle, and then the down candle. But it's really just showing you a reduction in force. That's what the candle bodies tell you with Japanese candlestick theory. You want to also look at volume. Now, this isn't a great example because you don't have a ton of volume on the second candle, but if you have the mother bar and then you have the Harami or the inside bar, if this second candle is on high volume, that's a much stronger signal than if it's on weaker volume, as we had here. So with most of these Japanese candlestick signals, you want to look at where the trend is. If you have a sideways trend, then it really, the Harami isn't really telling you much. But if you have a big upwards trend leading into the bearish Harami, you might want to pay attention. You might want to look a little bit closer, see if there's some other signals as well, to make sure that you're not missing the idea that the trend is turning over, that the trend is changing. So it's the bearish Harami. It can be the start of other patterns as well. But again, it's just showing a reduction in force. And important to remember, this is a short-term reversal pattern. All Japanese candlestick reversal patterns are short-term reversal patterns. This is the bearish Harami candlestick pattern, and this is for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you, folks. I'll talk to you soon. Big Chads out.